My name is Diploma-Biologist Tobias Dornbusch, and I started to work with elephants and to study about elephants in 1995, so more than 20 years ago. I work in zoos and safari parks as an elephant behavior consultant, and altogether, until now, I worked with 27 elephants in 8 different zoos. I rebuilt some elephant-enclosures for the protected contact to make it more safety for the elephants and for the keepers. So building new barriers for the elephants, so-called target walls, or just make the enclosure more safety, that the elephants cannot escape out of the enclosure, or that the keepers have not to close the doors or to open the doors in a direct way next to the elephants, but in a protected way with a barrier between the elephant and the keepers.